Yeah. Aye, Wiley, man, I'm still disappointed. Alright, one more dab and it's back to business. I'm a real G and your dad's a witness. Boy draw broad and your sister begged it. I told that little bitch don't ask for pictures. I do this thing for fitness. Put them cowie boys and Rizzlers. Fallouts at the next family function. The cowies are gonna have an awkward Christmas. So why you love to talk about mum so much? Where's yours? Let me just allow it. Let me just pause. Now fuck that, man, I gotta done the virus. So Wiley, you should have been the one to guide us. But since you wanna diss my mum so much, let's talk about why you moved your mum to Cyprus. That poor little woman was scared in the house car. You put her life in danger, you prick. Bricks and shots just fly through your window. You couldn't be the person to save her, you prick. Instead of you to squeeze the pumpy, you said, yo, mum, you gotta leave the country. I never wanna hear you say free the man then. Let's go Cyprus and go free your mumsy. Got mumsy banged up abroad. All because her son was a fraud. Can't handle this, so she handles dick like I handle the war. Nothing ain't funny anymore. Cause I'm not a happy bunny anymore. They didn't really wanna bring it to your mummy anymore. So your dad can't defend your bro and you can't defend your mum, and I wonder what she thinks. All them your family are weak links. Gather round, man, this is just the pre-drinks. Ripping the weave off my mum's head, okay, well, that's a lie. What we telling facts or jokes? Oh shit, I forgot, this is grime, so say what you like then. That would've dubs, let's have a fight then. Don't mention them niggas, I don't like them. Fuck all them niggas, they ain't my friends, so don't hype them. Mum's life, man, I'm gonna kick him in the mouth. Our niggas got private, it's bigger in the south. Car, you weren't on it and your dad weren't on it. Guess your mum should've had a real nigga in the house to defend her. Broken woman, I wanna mend her. Fuck her back and then bend her. Got so much loving, I wanna lend her. Got so much money, I wanna send her. Where can I send it? Well, you're putting her through, I wanna end it, please. I like that you're not self-centered. You open the door and look who entered. Oh, it's the king of grime, king of grime. How's he the king of grime but on drill? Now I'm the king of grime, I won't chill. King of grime, oh, it's no big deal. See this thing, yeah, I run that. Keep a crap, we don't bun that. Come on the mission and let your gun clap. Gonna start a petition to get your mum back. No, she wants to come back. Oh Lord, you got mumsy banged up abroad. You got mumsy ran off the ends. And it's foul cause it ain't her fault. She was trying to relax, but her son got caught in a war. One day there's dons at the door, then next day Heathrow, Terminal 4. It's a shame, all she needed was a strong man in the house. Fuck that, I'ma be the man of your house. It's like we'll come home, there's a man in the house. It's like your mum was the only real man in the house. Shower on the rhythm and I'm showering the man.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night.